Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Yes. That's what you want. I remember because the belly pan was so low, it caught right on one of these rocks. There you go. There you go. I didn't know I'd get over this without scraping.
Yeah, I was expecting here some
I was very happy. Nice, Zach. That thing does surprisingly well with no lockers. It does. Having the links in the rear and the front coils. Perfect. Turn driver as you're going up.
Mine just need a little more momentum.
Back up and just a little bump. It's not a big bump. Keep going a little bit. Now, bump it up. Yep. Haha.
Got it.
Like a pro. Yes.